Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Flooding to the Midwest. We're just now tracking our chance for some storms tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, some rain. It'd be nice if it was a little bit more than what we've got. Certainly we don't want flooding concerns out of it. But we're starting to get into a situation where we may see drought rapidly return here across the Tennessee Valley if we don't see some changes in the pattern as it looks going forward into July. Here's a look at those rain chances for tomorrow. Now, we're not expecting anything this evening or tonight, so if you have outdoor activities and you don't want it to rain, you're going to be fine for that. We head into tomorrow morning on a dry note, and then tomorrow afternoon there's going to be isolated to widely scattered coverage of showers and thunder showers. Not everyone is going to see rain tomorrow, but some of you will. So hopefully you know where the umbrella is. You might want to dust it off, throw it in the car with you as you head out the door first thing tomorrow morning. Those rain chances will stick around through the evening hours, and then they'll begin to trail off tomorrow night and on into Thursday, with most of us getting back to primarily dry weather. Heading into the weekend, some isolated wet weather back, but nothing that looks super widespread at this point in time. We are dry for now, though. Wave 31 Triple Doppler, clean sweep out there, but this time tomorrow, likely we'll be focusing in and zooming in on some areas, picking up some rainfall. And of course, you can keep up with any of that by accessing our 3 Doppler radars here across North Alabama on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker weather app. Let's take you through the latest with future radar, show you how all this materializes. Again, we're dry this evening and tonight, clear early on, and then a few areas of clouds arriving overnight and on into tomorrow morning. Out the door on your Wednesday, though, check in with meteorologist Grace Anello. I don't think she'll have anything to show you rain-wise, but she will have an update with future radar, which right now continues to indicate there will be a few pockets of showers and thunder showers coming through tomorrow afternoon. Perhaps as early as early to mid-afternoon tomorrow, tracking some of that, some additional showers and a few rumbles of thunder into your Wednesday evening. And then by midnight Wednesday night, a lot of this is going by the wayside. We head into Thursday with some early day cloud cover, and you will notice, especially east of I-65 and in particular here across northeast Alabama, maybe an isolated shower heading into Thursday afternoon, but most of us will get back to dry conditions, which is how we will close out the work week on Friday. Again, heading into the weekend, some spotty wet weather could return with the heat and humidity sticking around for your Saturday and Sunday plans. Low and severe weather risk tomorrow. It's level 1 on our scale of 1 to 5, and this is a summertime strong storm setup, which means we're primarily concerned about lightning, heavy downpours, and maybe some strong gusty wind, and that would be it. Not a tornado setup by any stretch, and we are not going to be looking for that tomorrow. But again, wouldn't be surprised if we get an isolated stronger storm. Might even get 1 or 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. Certainly would not rule that out, but no widespread threat appears to be developing for our area. Lows tonight into tomorrow morning. Once again, they'll be decent here in the northeast corner of the state, down to 66 in Fort Payne. Guntersville, Scottsboro, you'll also dip just below the 70-degree mark. Huntsville, though, to the west, we'll be running a little bit warmer, mostly into the low end of the 70s, out in the Shoals, Muscle Shoals, Tuscumbia area. A little bit warmer there, around 74 degrees overnight tonight. Here's your day planner. Tomorrow we start dry. We heat fast by 10 o'clock, already 92, 95 degrees in here at the noon hour. But clouds will bubble up tomorrow afternoon, and again, some widely scattered to isolated shower and thunderstorm activity is expected, and that should keep a lid on temperatures not quite getting to that century mark like they did today, but we'll be pretty close once again. 97 around 2 in the afternoon, and then depending on where the rain is, that will likely drop temperatures for some of you later in the day tomorrow. We'll go 98 in Huntsville, 97 Decatur, 96 Muscle Shoals, Scottsboro, 99, 96 in Fort Payne tomorrow. Wave 31 Storm Tracker 10-day has a little bit of a temperature dip Thursday. Not much, and it's the best we can do right now. 93 for the high. Weekend, we're back up 95, 96 degrees. Still expecting it to get more humid again by the weekend. And that'll likely push our feels like numbers or the heat index above 100 degrees. Now, those overnight lows also, not much relief there, well into the 70s over the course of the weekend. 20 to 30% on your rain chances Saturday, Sunday, and then next week, limited wet weather, 10-20% will cover it most days. Otherwise, look at that. We're still hovering at near 100 degrees through the 4th of July holiday weekend. So get ready, hot stretch ahead for us.
Are you going to say it?
Hot as a firecracker.
I was expecting a little more so you'll have to get better next time. Thanks, Jeff.
You bet.